Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff. And today is Friday, January 25th. Sorry about not having announcements the other day with our snow day. So we'll have our announcements back today on Friday. So we'll have our January birthdays to announce. And for our January birthdays, let's celebrate a couple. We have Eliana Comstock and also Adrian Alvarez. So happy birthday to both of you. Hope you have a great day. Also, as a reminder, our winter map testing results will be sent home today, so students, make sure your parents get those. And also, teachers, a reminder that the group and candid pictures for the yearbook will be taken today starting at 9:30. We will call groups down to the main lobby area outside the office to kind of get those done. All right, all of you have been asking for it. So what is the riddle of the day since it is Friday? So today's riddle: what begins with T, finishes with T, and has T in it? So if you know the answer to this riddle and are one of the first ones to tell me with the correct answer, you will win a prize. So I've done chocolate bars for the last couple of weeks, but you never know what prize you might get. Lunch choices: we have grilled cheese and tomato soup, stuffed crust pizza, or chicken Caesar salad and Cheez-Its. And today for our pause, we have our 4th grade students.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, and we have 3 4th grade students here to discuss things that we should do for our pause for today.
Don't talk when the teacher's talking. Helping others. Listen when other people are talking to you.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. And if you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much for doing the pledge for today. And boys and girls, remember riddle today. So if you know the answer or think you know the answer, find me at some point in time today to see if you won the prize for today. And special announcement for next week. Next week, the winter weather is definitely going to be very, very cold. Probably some of the coldest temperatures on record for quite some time. So please make sure you dress appropriately if we have school. So make sure you wear hats, gloves, coats. If you got snow pants, wear them. Boots, wear them. I know that many of you don't walk very far to school, but if we do have school next week, make sure you dress appropriately. Have a great Friday, and remember, your choices, you make it the best day that you possibly can, so make good choices today.